I just saw a GlycoPezil ad promising a simple recipe that can reverse type 2 diabetes. Fast. And of course it says, watch now before this video gets deleted. Yeah, sure. If it were real, it wouldn't be hiding behind a sketchy ad setup. It would be everywhere, but that's only the beginning. What happens after you click is way more interesting and way more suspicious. Give me 60 seconds. The link opens a page that's clearly trying to look like a real news segment. There's a big CNN health banner, and the video starts with an intro that looks like the opening of 60 Minutes. The whole "Tonight We Investigate" vibe in the first seconds. But the domain you're on isn't CNN and it isn't 60 Minutes. So why are they dressing it up like that? Scroll a bit and it's almost all video, not a real article. Then you see as featured in logos like BBC, CNN, Fox, CBS, but they're just pictures, no links, no proof. Next comes scientific references with logos like Harvard, PubMed, NIH, and The Lancet. And the fine print says they're not endorsed by or affiliated with any of them. So they basically tell you the logos are there to impress you, not to prove anything. Now the video. It's really long and there's a trick. The progress bar moves fast at first, so you think the reveal is close. Then it slows way down, and the player doesn't make it easy to jump around. This isn't to inform you, it's to keep you watching until the pitch. The video plays investigation, name drops celebrities, and leans on authority voices. Dr. Phil is framed as the hero fighting big pharma. Dr. Oz gets dragged in too, like there's a serious team behind it. Then come the promises. GLP-1 like Ozempic, no injections, no side effects, fast results, and you don't need to change much. Here's the key. It teases a cheap, simple recipe, but never clearly gives you that recipe. If you sit through it, the reveal becomes, buy this product. GlycoPezil, that's the whole point. When the video ends, the page unlocks a sales section with a buy button. Click it and you land on GlycoPezil.com with bundles right away. 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 6 bottles, discounts, urgency. They plaster the page with trust badges like GMP, natural ingredients, USA manufactured, and money-back guarantee. But they're just images, not verifiable certificates. Then they add fake social proof, a Facebook comments block with profile photos and like reply buttons, but you can't open profiles or interact. It's static text pretending to be real people, and here's the wild part in the footer. Copyright 2025 by 60 Minutes, all rights reserved. On a supplement sales page, are you a product site or are you pretending to be a TV show? Pick one. Now, the checkout. If it's legit, checkout should match the brand. Instead, you get pushed to a mycartpanda.com subdomain, institutoexperience.mycartpanda.com. Up top, more badge graphics, including an FDA-style badge, then the pressure, a countdown timer, people online, and an excellent rating with tens of thousands of reviews that you can't click or verify anywhere. So let's check outside their own pages. On Trustpilot, GlycoPezil.com shows 0 reviews, and the Who Is info shows the domain was created December 5th, 2025, with owner details hidden behind privacy services. Bottom line. Diabetes cure, miracle pitch. Fake CNN, 60 Minutes branding on a random domain. Media logos you can't click. Harvard, NIH, PubMed logos, then not affiliated. Long video that stalls the reveal. No simple recipe, just a sales pivot, GlycoPezil bundles at the end, fake badges, including the FDA-style one, fake Facebook comments, huge ratings and review counts with nothing to back them up. Copyright by 60 Minutes on a supplement page. Those are scam signals. Don't give them your card. If you already paid, save your receipts and screenshots and contact your card company.